Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the J7 has enough power, plug it in if needed. Once connected, join a reliable Wi-Fi network to prevent interruptions and data charges. Next, open the Play Store and tap your profile icon, then go to Manage Apps and Device. You want to locate YouTube in the Updates list immediately because starting now prevents background conflicts. If YouTube shows Update, tap it. If not, move to Verify App Version and Storage before attempting a manual install. You tap Update and monitor progress. Downloads happen automatically and install without extra steps. Once done, open YouTube to confirm the app launches and plays videos. If you don't see an update button, go to Settings Apps YouTube and try Clear Cache or Uninstall Updates, then return to Play Store and retry. This forces a fresh installer. Make sure you have adequate free storage. Clearing temporary files speeds the process and prevents incomplete installs or crashes later. You finish by restarting the phone to let the update fully register with the system. After reboot, open YouTube and test playback and account syncing. If problems persist, clear app data in Settings Apps YouTube and sign back into your Google account. This resolves most account-related errors. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall YouTube from Play Store or check for an Android system update. Sometimes an outdated OS blocks the newest app builds. One key tip: keep a recent backup before major changes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.